In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize project icon in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to update a project's look so it's easy to spot at a glance. This is a quick, practical tweak that can make your workspace feel organized and personal, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. Start by opening ChatGPT and focusing on the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub, and it's where your main sections live. Take a moment to scan through this panel and locate the Projects section. Projects are where related conversations, files, and work streams can be grouped together, so getting comfortable here pays off. Once you see the Projects section, click into it and select the specific project you want to customize. If you have many projects, choose the one that would benefit most from a visual cue, maybe a high-priority effort or something you return to frequently. Selecting the project opens its workspace, where you'll see the project's name displayed clearly. Right next to the name, look for the default icon. It appears as a simple folder icon. That folder is clickable, and it's your gateway to customizing how the project appears throughout the app. Go ahead and click the folder icon to bring up the icon picker. You'll now be able to choose a new icon and set its color. Browse through the available icons and think about what best represents the project's purpose. For example, choose a document-style icon for writing projects, a gear for technical work, or a light bulb for brainstorming. Pick a color that stands out just enough without clashing with the rest of your sidebar. If you use color coding across your projects, keep it consistent, maybe green for active, blue for planning, or any scheme that makes sense to you. As you make your selection, the change should preview right away, so you can quickly see how it looks next to the project name. If something doesn't feel right, simply try another icon or color until it clicks. Aim for clarity and contrast, so the icon is easy to recognize at a glance. That's it. Once you've chosen an icon and color, your project will display the new look wherever it appears in your workspace. This small change can make navigation faster and your workspace more intuitive. If you like the result, repeat the same process for other projects to build a consistent visual system that helps you stay organized and focused.